In the circuit has section AB, the EMF of the source is equal to 10 volt. EMF of the source E is equal to 10 volt. The capacitances are equal to, okay, not equal to 1 microfarad and C2 equal to 2 microfarad. And the potential difference phi A minus phi B is equal to 5 volt. Find the voltage across each capacitor. So they are in series. So charge on each capacitor is same. If they were uncharged capacitor, obviously, so charge on each capacitor is same. That's for sure. Because one same charge has flown through this part of the circuit. Now it's given phi A minus phi B is equal to 5 volt. Now let's name the points C and also D. So now we can write phi A minus phi B is equal to phi A minus phi C plus phi C minus phi D plus phi D minus phi B. Now phi A minus phi C is what? Q by C1. Phi C minus phi D is, it's minus 10 volt. Phi D minus phi B is Q by C2. Okay. Now that is given as equal to 5 volt. So therefore we can write Q 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 happens to be equal to 15. So you can find Q as 15 into C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, that is 10. So Q happens to be equal to 10 microcoulomb. So voltage across each capacitor. Why the charges are same? They were uncharged capacitor. Now some charge has flown into the circuit. Say they were uncharged capacitor. Like this. They didn't have any charge before. Now there is some current flow into the circuit. That means some charge has flown into the circuit. So there comes plus Q. And there goes plus Q. Again Q escapes. Again plus Q sits here. And there is minus Q. Again Q escapes. So that, okay. So Q is equal to 10. So now voltage across each capacitor. Phi A minus phi C. What is that? Q by C1. That is 10 microcoulomb by 1 microfarad. So that's 10 volt. And another one, phi D minus phi B. Phi D minus phi B. Okay. This capacitor. C2. Phi D minus phi B is equal to charge Q by C2. That is 10 by 2. That is 5 volts.